Edwards is where the track meets the dirt. Here at the Edwards facility, we have 720 acres to meet our customers' needs. We have 2 indoor arenas where we can do demonstrations or training even in inclement weather. We have 11 different classrooms. We have a full working shop with world-class mechanics, and we have 5 outdoor areas where we can do machine demonstrations and/or training sessions. The Edwards Demonstration and Learning Center's purpose is to create an immersive customer experience, and that can be through training, that can be through product development, it can be through demonstrating CAT equipment. A big demonstration for us, it's our Super Bowl. It is such an amazing feeling running machines in a choreographed fashion and then watching the awe of the crowd. There's nothing like it. One of the most valuable aspects of a demonstration and learning center is the production analysis team. And we'll go to the customer's job site and help them identify their production. And we do that by a set of scales that's on a truck. We'll weigh their hauling unit empty and then we'll weigh it loaded. The bottom line, we can help them in a very short amount of time find out, are they meeting their production goals? And if not, here's an area of improvement to make sure they are getting their production goals. Probably where Edwards really shines is when it comes to our training of the customer. So we have curriculum developed by our Equipment Training Solutions group. They develop the curriculum and then we deliver the training to the customer. We can train customers here at the site, mocking up their job sites, or we can travel to their facility wherever it may be in the world and help them get the most out of their CAT product. The demonstration centers are leaned on heavily when it comes to some of the crazy marketing endeavors that Caterpillar has. So we've helped with areas like ConExpo 2020, for example, where we did live demonstrations for 5,000 plus people. Or we work on the trials videos that I'm sure you've seen on YouTube. And we're so fortunate to have all of this crazy skill here at Edwards and this beautiful yellow iron to help Caterpillar pull off these marketing endeavors. Edwards provides a world-class customer experience. It's a perfect snapshot for a customer to come out and see from A to Z the full Caterpillar experience.